Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to drape the navy drape, but in the old Bollywood style. If you've seen older Bollywood movies, a lot of the actresses drape their saris this way, and it's a beautiful, old traditional but yet modern take on the navy drape. I'm excited to share it with you guys. I've already pleated my pallu. You can check out my pallu pleating video for how to achieve these beautiful thin pleats that are super important for this drape. For undergarments, I'm wearing the Saree Silhouette from Bhuva.com, and I am partial to these. I think they're super comfortable, but also super important for drapes like this one, where you don't want a lot of extra bulk anywhere on your drape that the regular underskirts have. And I'm also wearing the black lace crop, also from Bhuva.com, but any crop top will do that matches your sari. So let's get started. So if your sari has the blouse material attached, or it looks different from the rest of the sari, make sure you're hiding as much of that as possible when you go to tuck it in. For me, it's only really this black line, so I'm gonna tuck it in here, and it's really not gonna be seen anywhere to the left of my body. All right, so much like the navy drape, once you get back to your belly button, you're just going to grab the rest of your sari, put the pallu over your left shoulder. So what you're gonna do is bring the edge of the sari to your right thigh and pin it like you would in a regular navy drape. And here's where it really starts to get interesting. You're going to kind of gather the sari. You're gonna keep gathering it. You just wanna make sure that you can still kind of close off your pallu like this, because you don't wanna pull it too much. And you're gonna see what I mean in a minute. You're gonna just kind of raise the sari and create pleats along the way. You can see that the inside layer is lifting. You just wanna make sure that it doesn't lift before you pin. And then gather all of them. Once you're happy with it, you can just pin all of this together. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna have this loop like you normally do with a navy drape. And you're gonna take super wide pleats, because at the end, it's not gonna look like pleats at all. It's just gonna look like one big layer. But you're gonna need the pleats so that it's easy for you to walk. And then what you're gonna do is you're not gonna stagger the pleats or anything, and you're going to tuck it in like so. You can add a pin there. And then bring the pallu and tighten it around your body, like so. That's it. This drape looks super simple, but all of the borders that appear in the drape kind of direct your eye and give your body that beautiful shape. So you have the double border here shaping the left side of your body, and then the pallu shaping the right side of your body. And I just think it's a new take on the navy drape that old world Bollywood actresses did. I hope you try out this drape. If you do, let me know what you think in the comments below. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in a future video.